This video will show you how the Google Drive Embedder plugin can integrate Google Drive deeply into your WordPress intranet or website. It will also help you understand the differences between the free, premium, and enterprise versions of the plugin. If your organization already uses Google Drive and also has an intranet, perhaps you find they are disjointed. Users never know whether to turn to a Drive or the intranet to find the information they need. Structured intranet pages do a great job of describing your processes, but fail to reference relevant Drive files clearly, or sometimes just contain outdated copies of those files. Google Drive Embedder can finally unite Google Drive and WordPress. All versions of the plugin allow post and page authors to quickly and easily locate Drive files to embed straight into their posts. Click Add Google File, then search through the list of all Drive files available to you. You can choose to embed the file directly into the page, or you can insert direct links to open the file in a new tab, or links for visitors to download a copy of the file directly. Each time, your WordPress site will use the very latest copy of the file from Google Drive. Most file types can be embedded using the basic free version of Google Drive Embedder available from the WordPress plugin directory, although some more advanced file types, such as images, videos, and forms, may prompt you to upgrade to the premium version for best results. The premium version also allows you to embed Google Calendars, and for native Google file types such as Google Sheets, allows you to easily embed direct download links so users can obtain the file in formats such as PDF or Excel spreadsheet. Drive folders can also be embedded using the premium version. This is a simple way to share the latest files from a specific Drive folder. However, the browsing functionality is limited to that which Google provides natively, so columns cannot be customized, and clicking a subfolder will open in a new browser tab. Larger organizations that rely heavily on Google Drive will benefit from the advanced folder integration offered by our enterprise version. On top of the functionality described so far, our enterprise version allows Google Drive to integrate much more tightly with your WordPress site. First of all, you'll notice much more stylish and interactive embedded folders. Choose a folder to embed, and your users can dive further into subfolders and preview files, all without leaving your site. You can configure which columns you want to display and in what order, and you can allow users to simply drag and drop files to upload straight into the Drive folder. If you really want your intranet to work seamlessly with Google Drive, then you and your colleagues will love the Enterprise plugin's attachment folders. When you set up the plugin, you will create a top-level Drive folder reserved specifically to contain files related to your intranet or website. We call this your base folder. Google Drive Embedder Enterprise version can then ensure all pages and posts have a corresponding Drive folder created automatically in this hierarchy. So if your WordPress site has a page located under the URL /sales/brochures, the plugin will create a folder called Sales, and within that a subfolder named Brochures. On the WordPress page, you will see the attachments area added beneath the page content. Users with the correct permissions can then drag and drop files right onto the page to share with other users. The file is uploaded straight to Google Drive, so it can be accessed straight from Drive as well as via WordPress. This makes sharing files through your intranet even easier than before. If you are in Google Drive, you don't even need to open up your WordPress site to attach a file to a page. Instead, you can locate the corresponding Drive folder, Sales Brochures, and upload your file there. Anyone accessing the intranet page can see the same file straight away. Since Drive can allow you to add a file to more than one folder at once, you can even make sure that files normally available elsewhere, in this case in a separate All PDFs folder, are also attached to your intranet pages if needed. Changes made to the file in either location will reflect in the other. The most obvious way to control sharing permissions for your folders is within Google Drive itself. The Enterprise Drive plugin can simply respect the sharing settings assigned to the currently logged in Google user. But the plugin can go far beyond this, and you can also control permissions based on whether a website visitor is currently logged into WordPress or not. Or you can specify that different WordPress roles should be allowed to perform different actions to your embedded folders. For example, you can specify that an embedded folder should not be visible to a logged out user at all, regardless of whether they have a Google account that would normally be allowed access. Conversely, you can allow different classes of WordPress user to view folders or even upload files to them, again regardless of whether they have the permissions that would be required to do so via their Google account. All of these granular permissions can be set on a site-wide basis or overridden by the post or page author, if permitted. We hope you have found it useful to learn about our range of Google Drive Embedder plugins. We'd be really pleased for you to try out our free version, and if you would like to find out more about our premium and enterprise offerings, please just get in touch and we will be happy to discuss your requirements. Contact us by email, contact@wp-glogin.com, and you can find out more about all of our Google Apps products for WordPress, including our popular Google Apps Login plugin, on our website at wp-glogin.com.